the 8th of December, 2023. High maintenance, the beauty trend shaving minutes off morning routines. Investing in high-flying, long-lasting, sometimes expensive, beauty services can be one way to help simplify daily life and, in the process, gain a few extra minutes of sleep every morning. This is the basic idea behind the latest trend sweeping social networks, dubbed high maintenance to be low maintenance, a concept that could transform beauty routines for good. The high maintenance to be low maintenance trend, which has already scored over 50 million views on TikTok, encourages